Welcome to a guided meditation for cultivating joy on Declutter the Mind. In this practice, we'll focus on recognizing and fostering a sense of joy within ourselves. Joy can be present in the simplest moments, and by paying attention, we can cultivate it more deliberately. Let's begin by settling into a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in through the nose, expanding the belly, and slowly exhaling through the mouth, allowing the body to relax. And now gently close your eyes and start here by simply noticing the breath. Observe it and notice how it feels as you inhale and exhale. There's no need to change or control the breath here. We're just watching each breath as it passes. Taking a few moments here, just noticing the rise and the fall of your breath for the next few moments. And as we settle into this mindful awareness of the breath, let's gently shift our attention to the body. And starting here by scanning through the body from head to toe, noticing any areas of tension. And then with each exhale, consciously release that tension. Maybe you allow the shoulders to drop, the jaw to unclench, the hands to relax, and just sit here with this scan for the next few moments. And now bring to mind a moment or memory when you felt joy. It might have been a small moment, like the feeling of warmth of the sun on your skin. Maybe it was the last time you laughed, or you heard laughter, or just a time when you felt content. This moment doesn't need to be grand. Just let it be something real for you. And as you recall this moment, notice how your body reacts. Maybe there's a subtle warmth or lightness in your chest. Maybe a small smile appears on your face. And just observe the sensations that accompany this memory of joy for the next few moments. And now let's take this a step further. See if you can let that feeling of joy expand. And so just visualize it filling your chest. And with each breath, it spreads through to the rest of your body, to your arms, your legs, your head. However you want to imagine it, just feel it expanding and enveloping you. And as you go through this visualization, if your mind wanders, we just gently bring it back to the sensations of joy in your body. Allow yourself to experience it fully, even if only for a few moments. Just know that joy is something you can tap into. It's a resource within you. And now shift your attention back to the breath, resting in the present moment, noticing how you feel after spending some time with this feeling of joy. Take a few more breaths here, and then when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and notice how you feel. Remember that joy is something we can cultivate with awareness and intention. Thanks for sitting, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for taking the time to practice. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also join and become a member and receive access to courses and more. Head on over to declutterthemind.com for more and download our free iOS and Android app.